Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Anna, and I have participated in Style B web series, and my overall experience with Style B was very great, and I'm very delighted, excited to see the series, and I'm very happy. Um, I got to meet many new people, and I'm happy to meet all of them. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है ओवरऑल, और फर्स्ट टाइम वी डिड इट एंड आई फेस द कैमरा फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. इट हैज़ गिवन मी अ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड न्यू इन मी इज़ बॉर्न, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. थैंक यू.
So I'm telling on Telugu, okay, right? So Meena from Hyderabad. I did web series through Style B. you can look at this, okay? And about my experience, seriously, I was like zero first time. Telugu, that's better, I think. ఫస్ట్ టైం అయితే నేను చేయడానికి కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యాను, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ ఐ కాంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మై ఎమోషన్స్ రైట్ నౌ. The way they treat me and the way they took everything, and I met new girls which are too beautiful and too gorgeous. I think వెబ్ సిరీస్ మాకు ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇచ్చింది, మేమేంటి అని ప్రూవ్ చేసుకునేటట్టు ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఈచ్ వన్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టోరీస్, డిఫరెంట్ స్టేజెస్, డిఫరెంట్ సాడ్ ఉంది, హ్యాపీ ఉంది, సమ్ ఫనీ ఇన్సిడెంట్స్, కొన్ని ఇష్యూస్, బట్ ఓవరాల్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ డబుల్ ధమాకా వెబ్ సిరీస్ అనుకోండి. సూన్ మేము మీకు త్వరలోనే వచ్చేస్తున్నాము. ఐ హోప్ యూ గైస్ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ అవర్ వెబ్ సిరీస్. And today we came to hear Style B Diva India Finale 2021 as judges, and I met here a lot of girls participated here. All are excellent, they gave the best 100%, and yeah, we are also waiting for the results. But guys, seriously trust me, మీరు లైఫ్లో ఏదైనా చేయాలి, ఒక స్టెప్ మీకు కావాలి అనుకుంటే స్టైల్ బీ విల్ గివ్ యూ బెటర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్, బెటర్, బెస్ట్, మోర్ దాన్ దట్. సో ట్రస్ట్ మీ గైస్, ఇది చూసిన తర్వాత మీరు అనుకుంటారు వావ్ అని, అంతలాగా ఉంటుంది వెబ్ సిరీస్ మాత్రం. ప్లీజ్ డూ వాచ్. టోటల్ మాది మొత్తం చూడాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు కదా వెబ్ సిరీస్, సో BTS ఛానల్ నుంచి మొత్తం టెలికాస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ డూ వాచ్ త్రూ BTS. షేర్, లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. హాయ్ గైస్, ఐఎమ్ మీనా ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్. నేను వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఒకటి చేశాను త్రూ స్టైల్ బీ నుంచి. స్టైల్ బీ అనేది ఇట్స్ ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఎలాంటిది అంటే ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ అంటే సన్నగానే ఉండాలి, మీడియంగా ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిగర్ ఉండాలి, అలా అయితేనే స్టైల్ బీకి వెళ్ళగలం, మోడల్గా ఉండగలం అనేది కాదు. స్టైల్ బీ అనేది ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్, ఫర్ ఆల్. లుక్ ఎట్ మై సైడ్, అంటే మీరే నన్ను చూడండి. సో కొంతమందికి అనిపించచ్చు లైక్ ఈ అమ్మాయి కొంచెం బొద్దుగా ఉంది, ఈ అమ్మాయి మోడల్ ఏంటి అని, బట్ నాలో ఉన్న నేను ఆ నెగిటివిటీని తీసాను, అండ్ స్టైల్ బీ నాకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చింది టు ఓవర్కమ్ దట్. అంటే నాలో ఒక మోడల్ ఉంది, సో మీరే అర్థం చేసుకోగలరు. సో స్టైల్ బీ అనేది నో కంప్లెక్షన్, నో సైజ్, నో పర్టికులర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఇట్స్ ఫర్ ఆల్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి స్టైల్ బీ ఓపెన్లోనే ఉంటుంది. అంటే అందరూ అనుకుంటారు మోడల్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే సన్నగానే ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిగర్గా ఉండాలి, తెల్లగా ఉండాలి అని. అలా ఏం కాదు. మోడల్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే ఇవన్నీ ఆలోచనలన్నీ వదిలేసేయండి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరి కోసం స్టైల్ బీ వాళ్ళు ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అందిస్తున్నారు మనకి. అంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ నో సైజ్, నో కలర్, నో కంప్లెక్షన్, నో హైట్. సో అలా ఏమీ లేదు. మీ కూడా ఒక మోడల్గా అవ్వాలి, మీలో ఉన్న కోరికల్ని నిజం చేసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే స్టైల్ బీ అనేది మీకు ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ గైస్ డూ విజిట్ అండ్ ఒక్కసారి ట్రై చేయండి. మీ యొక్క కోరికల్ని, మీ యొక్క గోల్స్ని చేరుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే స్టైల్ బీ అనేది ఒక బిగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫర్ యూ గైస్.
Risha, I'm one of the contestants of Stalby 2019. Well, I registered for Stalby in 2019, and I got to know about it through my friend. And I'm really glad I happened to join this because they don't have absolutely any standards or limitations or particular stature required. Anybody and everybody can participate in this, and they have 2 different categories for Miss and Mrs. And all this while I've been having a really nice time, and we had grooming as well. And today we are into the finale, and we are running through multiple rounds from morning, and we are tired, but at the same time we are too excited as well, and we are very much eager for the finale results. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreya, and I have also registered myself for Style Bee in 2019. And the one thing I like about Style Bee is it's very inclusive. There is no particular stereotypically, body type or height, and everyone can participate. And there is we are mixing with a lot of other girls, and we are learning a lot of things from them. And you know what? I would like to say that it is really promoting a nice sisterhood as well. Meeting other contestants, getting to know them, talking and making more friends. And we had women as well. And so the photo shoot is going now. It is the finale. And I hope that Style Bee grows and there are many other contestants in future.
This is Priksha. I'm from Hyderabad, and I'm one of the contestants in Miss Style Bee Diva India 2021. I'm so happy to be here, glad to be a participant with all these beautiful models. As you know, every modeling show is a good platform, but I preferred Style Bee to be more reach and give me a good career in modeling that I'm looking for, so that I can grow a good professional model or more heights that I am right now or anything else. So let's see how the show goes, and I hope I be the winner, and then everything should go positive with what now the situation is there. So thank you.
Kavya, I'm participating in Style Bee India 2021. It's been a great pleasure to work with them. It's been a great day. It is a great platform for everyone, for every person like me to showcase their talents and all. Those people have been very helpful at any time, any moment. They encouraged us in all the times. They forced us. I mean, it's not forced. They encouraged us. They gave us all the support needed to a woman to participate, to get ready in all the fields in today's days. I hope I'm gonna be the winner. And like everybody else, everybody wants to be in the finale. And I'm thinking this is a great platform for me to go for. Thank you.
And I'm glad to be a part of the Style Bee beauty pageant. So we all are here for the Hyderabad beauty pageant, and we are all very confident and looking forward to win the show.
This is Jaspreet here. I'm very glad to be part of Style Bee. Good luck to everybody. Thank you, Komal Kotia. I'm from Pune. I'm very glad and happy to be part of Style Bee, and I would like to thank Style Bee for giving me this opportunity to become my dreams true. Thank you.
I'm from Bangalore. I'm glad to be part of Style Bee Diva Asia 2021 in Hyderabad, and I would recommend each one of you who have passion or talent in the fashion industry, please do come and participate, and you can showcase your talents, and if you really have your talent, you will be a model. Thanks.
Have gathered here. It's a wonderful feeling that we all are here and celebrating our womanhood and celebrating this fashion show. So Style Bee has arranged this in a very good manner, and we all are enjoying. We have got so many new friends. We enjoyed our trip flying from Pune to Hyderabad in this Corona period. So because we were so much bored at home since so many days, and we got this chance. So we actually thank Style Bee for this wonderful initiative.
and the perfect arrangement for the program. Thank you so much.
A very nice pageant. I have got very nice experience over here. As a homemaker, there was nothing improvement in our life. But when Style Bee has came in our life and we get to improve ourselves and get a good opportunity to present ourselves. So thank you so much for the Style Bee.
स्टाइल बी में आने के बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, न्यू फ्रेंड्स बने और मैं यहाँ आके बहुत सीखी भी कुछ भी। मैं हाउस वाइफ हूँ और मुझे यहाँ आने के बाद में बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ। थैंक यू।
For giving me this wonderful opportunity. For me, I can find myself as a new person. Thank you so much. I wish you all the luck and success. Thank you.
Yes, confidence is all matters at Style Bee. No matter what size you come in, what shape you come in, if you have the confidence, this is the right place for you, all the women. Thank you.
It is we say women empowerment and many things about, but this is the way we get confidence, we get motivated. Style Bee, thank you for giving us the opportunity to get motivated. Viewers, we are fantastic, and all the pretty women here are we are being friends and we are having a good time. So thank you Style Bee for the opportunity.
For giving me this beautiful and wonderful opportunity. Not only me, it's providing a beautiful and a wonderful platform for all the women out here. So thank you so much Style Bee for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ మిస్సెస్ ఇండియా కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, అందులో మేము పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, అండ్ ఇది ఉమెన్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడానికి ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ మాకు ఒక మోటివేషన్. ఇట్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ ది వాయిస్ ఆఫ్ అ పర్సన్ టు పుట్ దేర్ పాయింట్స్, అండ్ ఉమెన్ ఒక చాయిస్ చూస్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఎంకరేజింగ్ అండ్ ఇలాంటి ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ రావాలి అని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Participating today in Style Bee pageant. There are a lot of people who think negative about, who spread negativity about beauty pageants, but I think that's not the right thing. Although some beauty pageants require certain size and figure and everything, Style Bee does not have any such requirements. So it's a nice platform. I think it's all about celebrating being a woman. That's the essence of this beauty pageant. Thank you.
I'm one of the contestants from the Style Bee pageant 2021. It is going to be happening in the Hyderabad, and it was a wonderful experience to exploring the modeling world, and very creative and very empowering to all the girls. It's like fun, enjoyment, live, love and love. Thank you.
Neha Rao, and I'm contestant of Style Bee Diva 2020. So if you're looking for a platform which immensely boosts your confidence, and you have always dreamt of posing, modeling, and wanted to pursue a career in this field, I would definitely recommend to go with Style Bee Diva India. This is a platform which brings out the best in you. And talking about the experience today is our finale, and we have been groomed and we have been immensely trained with the professionals. And this platform is the platform for all the girls out there who think that certain body type, certain complexion is going to limit your charm. So no, this is a platform. Come join and experience a world which is too different from what we have ever thought of. Thank you very much.
And people who have the flight to catch, they can rush to the airport. The rest can stay here, and if they want to enjoy some party next week, we will be offering them. If you want to stay, you are most welcome. Thank you so much. For Miss category, people want to stay, we will be having some drinks and some snacks. Right? If you want to stay, music, dance, and if you want to leave from Miss category, they can leave. Alright? Thank you so much. Take care and best of luck. We'll see you soon with all you soon. Alright? Good job. on stage, please. Manjushri. Manjushri. Alright. Diva. Maleshwari is Mrs. Talented. On stage, Kanika, where is she? On stage, Kanika. Come on, guys, cheer for Kanika and for all these beautiful ladies. Yes, and the title for Kanika is Mrs. Glamorous. Photogenic. Next is Gauri on stage. Beautiful smile to render for us. Beautiful smile. Okay, so now can I have Supriya? Stand with them, please. So, what do you say, guys? Who's the second runner-up out of these three? Any guess? Guesses, guys, come on. Huh? Second runner-up? Okay. No one else? Come on. Okay. So. Cheer for them. Yes, you're right. And now you know the winner is our lady, beautiful lady, Asmita. Yeah. Many congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much, and especially Supriya, Kanika, and Asmita. You made us proud today. So definitely we're looking forward to working with you. If very beautiful lady and very beautiful at heart. She runs an NGO in Pune. Manju, charming tarot card reader. We hope to you get more and more clients who come to your daily basis. Alright, Maleshwari. Calendar girl, but then due to injury, she was not able to continue her career. Gauri. Group picture, please. A group picture.
I like me better.